Could you tell me more about like the patio covers and pergolas? Like I've been hearing this term go around, extruded. Are you guys an extruded system?
So when it comes to patios and pergolas, there's many systems out there. Some are good, some are better. And when it comes to extruded aluminum, what that means, extruded aluminum is aluminum that gets actually extruded from a ballet and comes out in a single unit, like this. So that means there's no welding and it's a single mold. A non-extruded aluminum looks like this. It's a little bit damaged because we kind of show it. But you see that zap here? It's basically like a Coca-Cola can. You know how they...
Yeah, that weird line on
that weird line. So that's your weird line right here. So that's a non-extruded aluminum, and this is extruded aluminum. But check out this. If I put the face of these both patios, you'll never know, right? So you can be sold this aluminum for this price, and that's not fun, right? Because this makes noise. It's not the nicest. Usually it has a wood grain finish, not as smooth like this. And the capabilities. So the contractor is gonna be like, oh, my vendor is only allowing me to put 4 posts on my patio, but you can actually do only 2 or 1 with this kind of system, and engineered and passed. So there's different patios out there, and you gotta know and ask the right questions and ask for the samples so you kind of know. If you don't know to get down to details, just ask for samples and ask to see them in hand.